Hi everyone, Kirk here with Kirk's Motorrad Shop in Crystal Lake, Illinois. Today I'm going to show you how to disable that stupid alarm on your K1200LT. The one that has been harassing you and bugging you and leaving you stranded. This is going to be on an 05 and later that I'm going to show you. But I will also tell you how to do it on the early model bikes that have different style connectors. So the reason I'm disabling this alarm on this particular LT that I'm working on is there's a big hole melted in the side of the alarm because there's a battery inside there. So let me bring you to the bike here and show you just what's going on. Hey, and if you appreciate these videos, and I know you do, please check the links below. And if you want to help support me, there's a whole bunch of ways right down below in the description on how you can do just that. Alright, so your alarm system is going to be all attached, okay? It's going to be attached to the bike. This one, sadly, is unattached. It's all over the place. So, I disconnected the battery on the bike because I don't want anything to go off or get permanently disabled. One thing you want to make sure that you do before you disable the alarm is make sure all of your locks are open. Make sure that, whether you can use the key, whatever, make sure you can get into all of your compartments so that is not going to become an issue for you. Inside of this alarm unit, there's a battery down in here. This battery, you cannot service the battery that's in here. It charges a little bit through the electrical system. And in the case of this one, you can see there's a big old hole melted right in the side of it, and it's causing smoke to come out when power is applied. So what you do to get this off, you've got this very big connector here. This is the 12-pin connector that goes on here. Pinch these things together, pull this thing apart. What you're going to do is you're going to cut this wire and use this as the way to reattach, to wire nut those wires on there. These other wires that are on here, all these other wires, all these other connectors, you can get rid of them. Take them apart, remove them all together. So we got this one here. There we go. There we go. There you go. Now I've effectively removed the entire alarm system, but you really need to take and jumper these wires together. Okay, here's 2, 6, and 10. So on the back side of the plug, there's also those little tiny numbers. It's unlikely you'll be able to see them in the camera, but anyway, trust me, they're there. Just put your glasses on, you'll see them. 2, 6, and 10. You've got a brown wire with a gray stripe. You've got a blue wire with a red stripe. And then you have another, looks like a brown wire with yellow dots on it. I'm going to strip these and I'm going to tie them all together. Okay, these are going to get one set of little wire nut or something on there. Number 3. So number 3 is a black and yellow. So it's a black wire with a yellow stripe. And then number 11. And that one is right here. That is a black wire with a white stripe. So I'm going to tie these two together. Okay. And strip them and tie them. These other wires are not going to be connected at all. These are just going to be just hanging out in the wind. If you want to make it all nice and neat and tidy, I guess you could tape it to the plug. And there it is. All I did was I just put a little crimp connector on there. I twisted the wires together, put a crimp connector on. It's ready to go back on. And that's it. Right over in this area, there's a white connector where the alarm system connects into. You're still going to disconnect things, but pull that one off, and you're going to then connect together. You're going to jumper 4 wires into 2. You're going to jumper wire number 3 and 4 together, and then you're going to jumper number 5 and 6 together. And that's going to be on, remember, it's on the BMW side. It's the bike side, not the alarm side. So don't go cutting any wires on that particular system. You just want to jumper those wires together. There's yeah, the black connectors that are on that one, you know, you disconnect those. There's also a large orange connector that's over on this side of that bike. I wish I had that here, but you know, I'm working on an 05. It's not that early model. You want to disconnect that wire as well. That's it. Have I mentioned how much I hate the alarm on the LT? Yeah, well, this one's going to be a lot better now because he'll be able to start it, ride it, and you don't have to worry about it failing. So check out some of my other videos. Hope you appreciate this one. If I ever do get one of the other type of bikes in here with the other alarm system, I will make a video on that one too. But you get the idea. I hope this has helped you out. Take care. Have a good one, and I'll see you in the next one.